Welcome to this video. In this video, we are just going to see one of the interesting concept called what is elect list and what is pop-up LOV. So what is the difference, major difference between select list and pop-up LOV, and where to use this select list or where to use the pop-up LOV, or what is the major difference, what is the advantage of that using, and where to use and when to use. This is a thing we are going to see in this video. So let's begin. First, I've just created a page. In this page, I'm just creating a page item. In this page item, I'm just selecting select list. The select list, I'm going to make it as state code select list, and the source as I'm going to scroll it down. Source I'm going to take from a SQL query. So I'm just taking select state code, concatenating with state name and state code. This is written from state order by state code. Now I'm just validating it. Yeah, it's good. So I'm just going to run this. Before that, I'm going to make this column span to 4. Column span to 4. Getting the select code statelet and I'm getting. Now we are going to create a pop-up LOB. So go to the page item and just select pop-up and make it as state code pop-up LOV, and below you just write the same SQL query. Okay, we have not selected the type as pop-up LOV. So once you select only, you will get the source. Here you can find the source and I select as a SQL query. So now I open. Here I am just writing select state code state name display and the state code from state order by state code. I'm just validating it. The same thing we are just written for select list and pop-up LOV. I'm just running it. Same thing I'm going to make this also a column span of 4, and start new row I am going to uncheck this start row. Now you can see this is select list, this is pop-up LOV. I'm just getting simultaneously. In the select list 1, 2, 3 the Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. In the pop-up LOV also Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So we have just created two different page item. One is select list and one more thing is pop-up LOV. So what's the major difference between this? From this design itself you can see the select list you are getting the values, so you cannot able to select anything, for example search anything or type anything. But in the pop-up LOV you can see you can search anything, you can search whatever you want, for example any value, and it will filter it out. So this is one of the major difference between select list and pop-up LOV. Select list you will not find any option for searching, but in pop-up LOV you will find any option for searching. And in the pop-up LOV this can be shown as a model dialog. For example, here you are getting the below inline, this is inline with this field, you are getting this drop down. Instead I need to get as a pop-up, you can make this as a pop-up model dialog in this pop-up LOV. So that is also one more advantage when you are going to view the options or search the option in a better way. So one more thing is in the select list you will able to see this length. If there are more records, then you need to get a scroll down, that is scroll bar you will get, you need to scroll this. The same thing you will get this show more button, you click on this, you will be getting next set of records. So what is the where to use and when to use means, so select list can be useful when you are going to display a certain records. For example, I'm going to show only yes or no, or maybe gender, for getting a gender, male, female, others. Likewise, so where to use means the select list, likewise. So same thing, pop-up LOB where to use means when you are having more records, more number of records. For example, n number of rows you are going to search. For example, employee details, you are just going to search employee. From thousands of employee, you are going to select a single employee from this. So there are multiple things, multiple records. There we can use this pop-up LOB. It is easy for searching also. You can search the respective employee by typing their employee IDs or their names. So it is easy to filter those employees. And the select list where it will be useful is for yes or no, like male, gender, female, or others. What is your choice? Like that selecting, you can use like with the minimum number of records. You can use this select list. And pop-up LOB is useful when you are having multiple like n number of records. Then the pop-up LOB is useful. You can also able to search here. Here also you can able to search, but not up to the level. But here you can search the exact thing, or you can filter it out. So that is a major advantage, and this is a major difference between a select list and a pop-up LOB. Both are useful for selecting a value used in a drop down style, but this is the major difference how you can use. So based on your requirement, you can use these two items. Thank you.